Struggling marketers looking for DFY pandemic-proof game changer to convert traffic into actual cash? Then look no further, because all your struggles are about to end here. Here's the thing. The only difference between top marketers and those struggling to make a dime online is a top converting product. Whether you're beginning online or you've got experience, having a top converting product in the hot niche is your gateway to be a success online. The days of tossing a poorly written 30-page ebook on ClickBank and cashing in are gone. If you try it, you'll be crushed by refunds and bad reviews. Also, due to the cutthroat competition, you want your products and offers to stand out from the crowd, which could only be achieved if you sell something of true value and trendy. Keep that in mind. We have made a full-fledged digital video training product addressing the powerful and rapidly growing niche that is Microsoft Ads. Microsoft Advertising's Audience Network is a hidden gem that brings a lot of value and programmatic offerings for businesses of all sizes. Microsoft Ads, formerly Bing Ads, is Microsoft's self-serve advertising platform that allows advertisers to build campaigns and target users across Microsoft's Search and Audience Network. Although it started off small, Microsoft's search engine has continued to grow in Google's shadow, and now, according to Comscore, Bing and its partners make up a combined 39% of the US desktop search market. In fact, if you're running a paid ads campaign, it could be a mistake to ignore Bing and all the possibilities it can offer you. Depending on what you're selling and who you're targeting, Bing could be the missing piece of the puzzle for your marketing strategy. Hence, it is clear how a complete video training program on this hot topic will affect any business in terms of profits and ROIs. At this point, let us tell you a secret. Selling private label rights licenses to quality training programs is one of the strategies top marketers use to consistently generate six-figure paydays year after. That means to be a success online, you just don't need to sell a training course that your customer can purchase and gain insightful information, but you need to provide them an extensive private label rights license so that they can also set up an additional income stream for their business by claiming full authorship of the product, edit the contents, and sell it further for pure profits. But there's a problem. To offer private label rights, you must need to create a product yourself. And unfortunately, product creation is not everyone's cup of tea. There's so much involved, like extensive market research, quality product creation, writing a groundbreaking sales page, creating professional graphics, sales page creation, developing and building products, making it download ready. But lucky for you, right on this page, we are offering you a groundbreaking opportunity to get unrestricted private label rights to a high-quality product that will make you go from zero to thousands of dollars in profits in just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Download our ready-for-market product. Step 2. Put your name on it. Step 3. Upload it on your server. Step 4. Make instant sales and keep 100% of the profits. What could potentially take you months of work can now take you just 4 easy steps to complete. Introducing Microsoft Ads Training Kit, HD video training course with unrestricted private label rights. A complete step-by-step video training encompassing everything you need to know to get started with Microsoft Ads and optimize your campaigns for maximum profits. With that being said, let's check out the modules you're going to get inside. Module number 1. 15 step-by-step training videos. Module number 2. Professionally written training guide. Module number 3. Chapter images. Module number 4. Video raw files. Module number 5. Audio files. Module number 6. Video voiceover script. Module number 7. 10 unique articles bundled into one. Module number 8. Cheat sheet. Module number 9. Mind map. Module number 10. Top resource report. In addition, we are providing you all the required resellers module to help you get going in no time. Module number 11, High Converting Sales Copy. Module number 12, Customer Sales Video. Module number 13, Professionally Designed Graphics. Module number 14, Animated Banners. Module number 15, professionally created email swipes. Module number 16, professional mini sites. Module number 17, legal pages. Now you can turn around and sell this awesome package to anyone you want with PLR license, and you get to keep every cent you make. Folks, if you are serious about your business, you will jump at this chance. This is the cost-effective and proven way to shortcut the whole process and get straight to the dollars in your bank account with no product creation, no outsourcing headaches, and no marketing experience required. Everything you need to succeed is in this package at this one-time ridiculously low price. So hurry up before the price gets double or more than what it is right now. Act now and get instant access to this amazing offer below.
Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 7. How to bulk edit campaign budget. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to bulk edit campaign budget, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select all campaigns and then campaigns from overview. Here you'll get a list of all your campaigns, select as many as you want to edit, and go to Edit button on top. Click on its arrow and from here select Change Budgets. Then select your action as set, increase or decrease and enter your daily budget. Click on Question button and it says you can set budgets for multiple campaigns from here. Then select Increase in Action, after that enter your daily budget, then select Maximum Budget and enter your maximum budget. Deselect Maximum Budget to set the amount. Then select Decrease in Action, and we have Minimum Budget. Now, select Set in Action and set your daily budget and then click on Save button, or you can preview or cancel your changes. If you select all campaigns, you can edit their budget together from here. Select them all and select Change Budgets from top Edit button. So this is how you can bulk edit campaign budget. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 8. How to bulk edit bid strategy. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to bulk edit bid strategy, step by step. See you in. Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 2. Microsoft Ads Dashboard. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at Microsoft Ads Dashboard, step by step. So let's get started. So once you log into your Microsoft Ads account, this is how your dashboard will look like. First, you have an overview about performance with spend, clicks, conversions and impressions. Then we have this line graph. When you hover over to these points, you can see the spend with clicks. Then below we have recommendations. From here you can import campaigns from Facebook ads. After that, we have a list of all your campaigns with name, spend, clicks and impressions. Below that, we have top changes for campaigns. Then we have keyword stats, then what people search section to add them or exclude. Below we have device-wise stats for clicks, impressions and spend. Next we have competitions and how they are performing. You can go to Competition tab from that button. On left we have all these options which you can collapse from here. Click on it and they will disappear. Click back to expand it. Here we also have a list of all the campaigns with their statuses paused or enabled. Then we have more options like Overview and all these options. On top, we have Import, Merchant Center, Reports, Tools, Help, Notifications. So this is how the Microsoft Ads dashboard will look like. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 3. Campaign Home Overview. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at Campaign Homepage, step by step. See you in